Today I'm going to show you how to highlight text like this in Premiere Pro. To start, we need to put the image with the text on the timeline. Then, switch to the rectangle tool located here. Draw a box covering the desired text. Next, head over to the Essential Graphics panel to adjust the color of the box. Now, go to the Effects Control panel and change the blending mode to Multiply, so the text and the highlight are visible. Before proceeding, ensure that Uniform Scale is unchecked. This allows us to set keyframes on the scale width, enabling us to animate the highlight effectively. Moving on to animation. Let's start by adjusting the anchor point on the highlight. Move it to the left side of the box for smoother motion. Then, enable keyframes for scale width and adjust them like this to create a simple highlight animation. Highlight the keyframes and apply ease in and ease out to make the motion more fluid. Now, let's add some effects to make it pop. Extend the highlight layers on the timeline and nest them. Navigate to the effects panel and search for the basic 3D effect and apply it to the nested sequence. Start by positioning the playhead at the beginning of the animation. Head back to the Effects Controls panel. Enable keyframes for swivel, tilt, scale, and position properties. After setting the initial view, move the playhead a few seconds forward in time. Then, adjust the swivel, tilt, scale, and position values again to create a smooth animation. You can experiment with different angles to find the desired perspective. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.